Hey, Heather from Pickin here. I just got done unboxing 115 items from this particular pallet of like new items. I'm going to let you know how much I can make. Okay, so let's go on over here. I'll give you the specs on this particular pallet. It's a Bulq.com pallet, jewelry, watches, bath, bedding, kitchen, etc. 115 items of like new condition. They retailed at $7,300, which I know I can't get as a reseller, but that usually gives me a ballpark to know, okay, is there actually money worth it in this one? My cost was $648, and then I have $76 listed for shipping because I went to go pick these up with a truck and I picked up multiple pallets at a time. And so I divided my cost between all of those pallets and came up with 76. This isn't something that Bulq does right now, but hopefully me as a guinea pig, you can start seeing it in the future. $724 is my total cost, $629 per item. If you would have bought this right offline, it would have been $648 for your cost, $200 to have flat rate ship it right to your front door for a total of $848. I believe after going through a lot of the items in this pallet that my estimated earnings are going to be, my estimated money I'm going to get back is $1,460. I'll take away my $724 and $736 is what I think I can make from this. Let me give you the few of the details of some of the things that I think I can make money off of. This iTouch Air Watch, I think I can make $50 after fees on this one. This one, even opened, I can make $40 off this lantern. These Supernova Air Hogs, both of these, I can make $35 a piece off, so that's 70 bucks right there. And these are in great condition. I've got a couple of the shoes that I can make about 20 bucks a piece off of that I can actually send into Amazon, and the rest of them will go on my Poshmark store. And then I've got, let me see, this Batman classic car. I've got two of these at $17 a piece. And these are numbers that I'm giving you after fees, after shipping it in, all of that. So it's totally like what I get to keep from the item. And then I've got some, let me see, binoculars I think I had over here. Yes, some National Geographic binoculars I can make $30 on after fees with this one. I did go through and I told you in my second video I would look to see if all the pieces were here in this. It's an 83 piece car care set, and everything was there in this little set. And if I close it up, it's actually shaped like a car. And so it works really well. It'd be perfect to throw in your trunk, and everything is actually there in that car set, and it comes in this box. So it'll be nicely packaged.
I think it was $30.
Yeah, that one I was going to make $30. This is going to sell lickety split because Barbie always sells fast. It has a sales rank around 4,000. So it'll
400.
Oh, sorry, 400. And so it's going to basically move as soon as it hits the warehouse. And this I can make $11 on after fees. And believe it or not, these cute little dog shoes, I want to pull them out again because I just think they're adorable. Look at these little doggy sandals. I can actually make $12 on this set of dog shoes with little blinged orange sandals. So pet sandals, a set of 4, all 4 of them are in here, and I can actually make $12 going to Amazon. So a lot more of these things will go to Amazon. Some of my blankets and stuff I've already got listed on various other platforms such as Poshmark because they come with slippers and some of them are robes and things like that. So I've got them already listed on my hookedonpickin.com store, and I've got some already listed on Poshmark, and so I can just simply add more quantity to those listings so they won't take much time at all. This is going to be a pallet that's going to be what I would consider kind of a slow grind where there is money in everything. It's just going to take a while to make up a lot of the money because some of the sales ranks are a little bit higher, but there is money in it. So I believe I'm going to be able to make up all of my money plus possibly get doubling that. So like I said, $736 after I pay myself back what I paid for this pallet. So just go slow, work through every little piece, make sure you find various different platforms that you can sell on. Obviously not everything can go on Amazon. I know a lot of you like to do Amazon because it's simpler, but you will lose money if you stick to one platform. So my suggestion is always diversify. You can sell on eBay, your own store. You can sell on Facebook Marketplace. That's great for some of these larger items. And then I also have one of those Fisher Price baby things that they recalled. I will not be selling that. And so that just is a loss for me. So unfortunately, you know, that was in this box. But I have a lot of other fun things that I'm really excited about. There's some sport earbuds and stuff like that that I'll do a little bit more research on, and I may be able to figure out a way to list those as well. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I can earn on a Bulq.com pallet of jewelry, watches, bath, bedding, and kitchen, etc., and the various different costs of items and how I'm going to move it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.